Welcome to the second part of tutorial variables and input output of values in Python. We have understood what is variable and what is input and how to take input from the user. In this video we are going to explore how to display values or output in Python. So to display output to the user, built-in function print can be used. The function print is used in the following manner. Print star objects separator equal to space or separator string and is equal to /n, that is new line character, or and string. Star means we can have multiple objects here, or we can have multiple values separated by comma which we want to display, and this thing in square bracket is optional. Square bracket generally means optional. So if we want to change the separator string, which is by default space, which works as a value between two objects to be displayed, and if you want to change and, which is by default /n or a new line character, we can use and equal to certain other character, and generally works as the end of line character. That means after the print is over, what will be the next character? If it is /n, that means a new line character will be there and we will be on the next line, and if you want to have any other character, we can specify as a string. So let us understand it. So for example, print welcome to Python programming. So here we have just displayed one value, and that value is of a string type, welcome to Python programming. So when this statement will be executed, we will get an output, welcome to Python programming. Likewise, if we say print 25.56, so we are displaying an integer value, so the value will be displayed as 25.56. So these two are literals actually. This is in string literal we have displayed, and this is float literal we have displayed. If we have certain variable, for example, we can say name equal to Rajesh. That means there will be a variable name which will contain the value Rajesh. So if we say print hi, this is string literal, comma name. So we have two objects here separated by comma. So the display will be hi and then Rajesh. Between these two there will be a default space because of the separator character is space. Likewise, when we say print name is a good boy, so name means it's a variable. So print function will take the value of the variable here, that is Rajesh, and it combined with the value is good boy, between them single space because of separator. Rajesh is a good boy. That will be the output. Suppose we have print 1, 2, 3. So there are three literals, 1, 2, 3. So the output will be 1 space 2 space 3. Print 1, 2, 3, comma separator equal to dash. Now what will be the output? In the previous example, it was by default the separator is space, therefore the output has space between these three values. But in this example we have changed the value of separator as dash. That is why we will get the output 1 dash 2 dash 3. So the separator will work between the values, that the values we are going to display, what will be the value or what will be the character between these values when they are printed by the print function. For multiple print, we can say we can use semicolon. So here we are executing two print function. First function will have print 1 and the second function will have print 2. So the output will be print 1 will print 1 and print 2 will print 2. But we will have space between these two. Why? We will have a new line character between these two. Why? Because of the /n character in the end we have already defined in the function print and we haven't changed it. In order to understand it, let's see the next example. When we say print 1, but this time the end we have changed as star. So it is not the new line character, the character will be star at the end of this string. So in the earlier example, 1 and the end was /n, and because of /n the next print will go to the next line. But in this example, after print the end value is star. So the next print will not work or will not print on the next line, whereas it is going to print after this star. So the output will be 1 star 2 on the same line. I hope you have understood what is the difference between print without and print with and. Print 1 and equal to star, print 2, print 3 and is equal to hash. Guess what? That is for you. So we are going to see these examples in our editor. So first of all, let's see print welcome to Python programming. So we have used this print. The output will be welcome to Python programming. Likewise, if I say print 25.56, the output will be 25.56. Now to understand the meaning of separate SCP, if we say print 1, 2, 3, the output will be 1 space 2 space 3, because the default value of separator is space. If you want to change the separator, we can write print 1, 2, 3, separator is equal to, we say dash. So the output will be 1 dash 2 dash 3. So the separator will work only between the values. For example, 1 and 2. Between these two values, when they will be displayed, the separator will be dash. 2 and 3, the separator will be dash. Let's see how AND works. So when I say print 1, print 1 and print 2, the output is 1 in the first line and 2 in the second line. It is so because the AND value of this print function is /n. So after 1, the /n will be executed and will take the cursor to the next line, and the next print function will work from the next line. So it will print 2 on the second line. Now if we change this to print 1, AND is equal to star print 2, we haven't changed AND here. Let's see what is the output. So it is 1 star 2. Why star? 2, because we say 1, print 1, and then after 1 the end will be star, not the slash n. So after 1 the star will be printed and the next function will work where the first function has ended its output. So it will be 1 star 2. Now I have asked you one question. Print 1 comma and is equal to star comma print 2 print 3 comma and is equal to hash. Pause the video and determine the output first, then we will see the output. So what is the output? It will be 1 and then end is a star, then the next output 2 and the end is slash n, therefore we will go to the next line, then 3 and the end is hash, therefore we will get hash. So I hope you have understood about the print function. Thank you.